Your home's front door is much more than just an entryway, it's a critical component of your home's security. It protects your family, your possessions, and your peace of mind. Over time, however, wear and tear can take a toll on the effectiveness of your door. Whether it's a drafty, aging door or one that no longer provides the security you need, a door replacement in Glendale can significantly improve both your home's security and your overall comfort. In this article, we'll explore the reasons why replacing your door is an excellent investment for your home, and how it can enhance your security and peace of mind. Enhanced security features. When it comes to protecting your home, your door is one of the most important elements. Old or damaged doors may be easy targets for burglars, who can exploit weak points like warped frames, outdated locks, or deteriorating materials. A door replacement provides an opportunity to upgrade to newer, more secure options designed to withstand attempts at forced entry. Modern doors, particularly solid wood, fiberglass, or steel models, are designed with security in mind. They are often equipped with stronger locks, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant materials that make it much harder for intruders to gain access. Additionally, you can opt for doors with advanced locking systems, such as multi-point locking mechanisms, which secure the door at multiple points for added protection. In Glendale, where neighborhoods may experience varying levels of security concerns, replacing your door with a more secure option gives you peace of mind knowing that you're better protected against unwanted visitors. Better insulation and energy efficiency. Aside from security, the condition of your door can also have a significant impact on your home's energy efficiency. Older doors, especially those that are not properly sealed, can allow drafts to enter your home, making your HVAC system work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This leads to higher energy bills and less effective heating and cooling. When you replace your old door, you can select energy-efficient models that are designed to keep your home at the right temperature. Doors made with insulated cores, weather stripping, and tight-fitting seals provide better insulation against both heat loss and heat gain. Whether it's the summer heat or the chill of winter, a new, energy-efficient door helps maintain a stable indoor climate, reducing your reliance on heating and cooling systems and saving you money over time. Improved curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice when they approach your home. If your door is outdated, worn, or damaged, it can detract from your home's curb appeal. On the other hand, a new door, especially one that complements your home's architecture, can immediately enhance the overall look of your home. Choosing the right style, material, and color for your new door can make a significant difference in how your home is perceived. Whether you opt for a sleek, modern steel door, a classic wooden door, or a stylish fiberglass option, a new front door can transform the entryway and boost the aesthetic appeal of your entire home. In Glendale, where home aesthetics matter, a well-chosen door replacement can increase your home's value and make it stand out in your neighborhood. Enhanced peace of mind. Replacing your door doesn't just improve your home's security, it also enhances your peace of mind. Knowing that you have a strong, secure door that can protect your home and family from potential intruders is invaluable. Modern doors are built to withstand the elements, offer better insulation, and, most importantly, ensure that your home remains a safe haven. Additionally, a new door with a higher quality lock and security features gives you confidence that your home is more secure. Whether you're at home or away, a solid door can ease worries about break-ins or other security concerns, knowing that your entryway is fortified and dependable. Increased property value. Investing in door replacement can also have a positive impact on your home's resale value. Prospective buyers often look for homes with updated features, including modern, secure, and energy-efficient doors. A high-quality, aesthetically pleasing door can be a great selling point when it's time to put your home on the market. In Glendale, where property values can be competitive, an upgraded door can make your home more attractive to potential buyers. Not only does a new door enhance curb appeal, but it can also be a reflection of the overall quality of maintenance and care you've put into your home. As an affordable yet impactful improvement, replacing your door is an investment that can pay off in the long run. Customization to fit your needs. One of the great benefits of door replacement is the wide range of customization options available. Whether you're looking for a specific material, color, or style, you can find a door that perfectly suits your needs and complements your home's design. From traditional wood doors to contemporary fiberglass or steel options, there are plenty of choices to match your aesthetic preferences. Furthermore, new doors can be customized with various features, such as decorative glass panels, side lights, or transoms, to create a truly unique entrance. You can also choose from a variety of locking systems and hardware to enhance the functionality and security of your door. Conclusion. Replacing your door is an important home improvement that brings multiple benefits: enhanced security, improved energy efficiency, boosted curb appeal, and increased peace of mind. Whether you're concerned about safety, energy bills, or simply want to give your home a facelift, a door replacement is a smart investment in your home's future. For homeowners in Glendale, where security, comfort, and style are essential, upgrading your door is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's overall performance and appearance. Don't wait for your old door to wear out. Invest in a new, secure, and energy-efficient door today, and enjoy the many benefits it brings for years to come.